What is going on, Vancouver, and welcome back to Vancouver's Worst Drivers. So, before I start this video, I want to give an announcement that some of you may or may not know, but now the lower mainland, they've installed speed and red light cameras. So, be mindful of those. Obviously, nobody should be speeding, but now it's especially important not to be speeding because now you can get a ticket at certain intersections for going too fast. I've heard online that the speed is around anything over 20 kilometers over speed limit, so I've posted on my Instagram where some of those locations are, but if you want to get more details, you can let me know on Instagram or comment in the section below. Alright, so I'm driving home one night from work, and I noticed on the Willingdon off-ramp, this cop is just chilling with his lights on, and I was like, this is kind of weird. And then I'm like, hold up, wait a second. There is a car in the ditch on the right turn off-ramp, as if they did not see any of those right turn only arrows that are flashing orange to show that's a curve. I don't know how this is possible. I think the only way this is possible is if the driver is severely drunk. I feel like this is a terrible time to be pulling this move. This black car is going to turn right into the 7-Eleven here, forcing his way through traffic and cutting over 2 lanes just to go to 7-Eleven. He must really want a Slurpee. Like I always say, if you're going to miss an off-ramp, just take the next one. It's not worth an accident, but clearly this BMW does not care about that kind of advice and makes this maneuver anyways. Here's a reason why you buy a dash cam, okay? One of MJ Install's customers took this clip where this red truck skips his lane and goes right into the far right lane, forcing this guy up and onto the curb, damaging his rims. In an ICBC claim, there's no way ICBC would have sided with this guy, but thank goodness he's got a dash cam to show that this red truck actually forced him into the curb. I hate when this happens, okay? I'm trying to go straight. I clearly have a green light, and this woman is trying to force her way to turn left. Just wait 5 seconds until I'm through the intersection, for crying out loud. Thanks to Robert for sending in these 2 clips to me. First of all, this guy clearly doesn't even use his shoulder checks at all. If you only rely on your side mirrors, you're going to run into situations like that quite often. And then this driver is very unfortunate because he just kisses this truck's ass. Literally. Smashes right into the back of him. I don't know how that's possible because the truck's so big, but unfortunately that's what happened. As I mentioned in the highway video clip with the BMW driver, I just feel like if you miss your street, or your off-ramp or whatever it is, just go to the next one, okay? This red car on the left is not only blocking his lane, but he cuts into our lane, and at first I'm like, okay, you know, whatever, let him in. But then clearly he or she is trying to go to McDonald's or something, because then they have to go into that far right lane and stop all of us as well. Just go to the next street and then circle around. And then this is a block away on a different day. As you can see, the driver on right has to merge in, but this guy thought it was a good idea to merge into my lane at that time. Just some piss poor decision making right there. I rolled my eyes so hard at this moment that I could see the base of my skull. This guy decides to merge into my lane, but instead of matching the speed of everybody else on this busy road, he decides to go 20 or 25 kilometers an hour, and it killed me inside. I was like, why would you do that? There is so much stupidity going on in this clip, it's hard to know where to begin. First of all, you got this motorcyclist who cuts in early to merge on and is weaving in and out of traffic without signaling, okay? Then you've got this pickup driver who goes into my lane to overtake, which is fine, but then merges to the right in front of the van. I don't really know what that accomplished or why he did that. For those of you who follow my channel on a regular basis, you'll see that I get so many clips from this intersection. People turning left in front of me there all the time, and I just don't understand why. Most of you are probably familiar with this intersection, but for those of you who don't know, this is a right turn only lane, but Jacki here can turn any way she wants. This driver clearly just ignores that and goes straight. That would have been a dumbass accident right there, had she been hit by this guy if a van was behind her. Here's another eye roll moment for all of you guys. This white BMW is going to be turning right, yet they merge into my lane, straddle both lanes, and then turn right. Why didn't they just stay to the right side to begin with? Here's a pretty serious accident I saw in the kind of the Burnaby New West area. Not sure how this happened, because this is a fairly quiet road here. But as you can see, this is actually a pretty serious accident as BMW is forced up onto the sidewalk. And again, this is just a reminder to everybody. Make sure you're paying attention out there, because something like that could happen to you as well. Like always, guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. If you guys have any clips you want to send to me, you can email them to me at vancouverdrivingvideos@outlook.com. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as share it with your friends and family. Take care, guys.